Are you a physical therapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, or really a healthcare professional looking to make money online and find the six-figure niche of your dreams? Well, in this video, I'm so excited to walk you through the exact tools and technology that you can use to make sure that the target niche that you have chosen, your brand that you have chosen, is a lucrative brand and a popular brand at that. But really quickly, my name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and I'm a physical therapist and healthcare entrepreneur with alternativehealthcarecareers.com. And I'm so excited in this video to walk you through how exactly to pick your brand and niche so that you can be the most successful. So let's dive into the training. Okay, so here we are in Uber Suggest. This is an absolutely free tool. So you can go to Uber Suggest, and what we're going to do is in the search bar, we're going to type in our niche, our idea. So I'm going to type in health coaching because many of you probably want to be health coaches. And so you can see here really exactly how many people are searching health coaching. There's a lot of people, 12,000 people searching health coaching. So we know that this is a really good topic and maybe something that we should pursue. We can see how difficult SEO ranking is, and that's how difficult to get on page 1 of Google. We can see the paid difficulty and the cost per click. Now, the cost per click is really important here because that helps us know how much ads will be in the future. Now, if we go down, we can see a couple more statistics. What I really like is here is the age range. So it shows you that for health coaching, you have a pretty good mix of older individuals and middle-aged individuals. So this is going to help you know what social media platforms do you want to target. You know, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, they're all going to have a slightly different age range. So knowing this can help you know which social media pages and profiles do you really want to focus more heavily on than others. Going down, we can see other subsections of health coaching, like health coaching certification, health coaching jobs, health coaching institute. And so we can see search volume for a lot of different keyword ideas. And we could hit view all to see even more keyword ideas to help us narrow down perhaps our idea and see how that is compared to other ideas. And you can see some content ideas here as well. So let's make health coaching a little bit more specific because health coaching is so broad. You have a lot of competition. You want to do something that is more specific, more narrow, so that you can stand out from the crowd. So let's go health coaching for seniors. And you can see the search volume is 30. SEO difficulty is easy. Paid difficulty is 33. Cost per click is half of health coaching. And you can see that because we are trying to narrow our idea, we actually can rank much easier because look at how much less this is difficult compared to the health coaching. And it's also cheaper if we want to do an ad. So we can see the volume here, and we can see some more keyword ideas. So you have health coaching for seniors, nurses, weight loss, chronic illness, diabetes. And so the thing is that even though your business can be around health coaching for seniors, this is giving you ideas as, oh, I should incorporate weight loss. I should incorporate cancer, diabetes, all these other things. So it's really helpful to know how profitable your idea can be. Now, I want to put here that Uber Suggest, the more and more niche you get, I feel like the less and less perfectly accurate it is. So I also suggest that you go to like Facebook or YouTube and type in the search bar there as well. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. So health coaching for seniors, we can see that this is potentially a decent idea. So let's try wellness coaching, because I know we have a lot of virtual wellness therapists out here. Okay, so 6,000. So wellness, very similar to health coaching. And so you can see that how that is ranking. And you can see the SEO difficulty going down here, the age range. So you can see actually this is a little bit of a younger crowd, wellness, versus health coaching was a little bit older crowd. And you can see here, same thing, some different keywords. Now, if we go, well, wellness coaching for seniors. There we go. I searched too many times. It won't let me search anymore. But you can play around with Uber Suggest, and it will really help you. So what I want to also encourage you to do is go to YouTube, and we're going to type in similar ideas in YouTube. So we're going to search wellness coaching in seniors. And let's go down. We see some ads here, but we see views. So 21,000 views on wellness coach training. Wellness coach training, 4.9 thousand. So you can see that training health coaches is actually really ranking high. And so if you're a health coach wanting to teach people how to become health coaching, we can see that this could actually be very lucrative. Now let's go wellness coaching. How about wellness exercise? And we can see here we've got 2.7 million views on seated exercises for older adults. Now, this is 7 years ago when YouTube was much less popular, but we can see how easy it is or how difficult it is to potentially rank for certain terms. And this can really give us an idea as to, are people even interested in this? So if I put knitting in the YouTube search bar or in the Facebook search bar, maybe nothing would come up. But this is going to help you create this targeted 6-figure idea for your online therapy business. Now, one more tool that I use, if you can see over here, this little graphic is Vid Iq. And you can go to Vid Iq and it's free. And you'll get a Chrome extension that anytime you're on YouTube will search your search term and pull up different information. So we can see wellness exercises in seniors. It has a low search volume and medium competition. So what we're looking for is a medium search volume and like low to medium competition so we can stand out. But vidIQ can really help you understand what content to create and how to create content, but also the niche that you want to go into and how competitive is it? How can you stand out from the crowd? And lastly is do this exact same thing in Facebook as well and in Amazon. Go into the search bar and type in what you want to do. So in Amazon, you can go and you can go to, where am I going? We'll go to bestsellers here. You go to Amazon bestsellers and you can see all the different things selling, but you can go to Kindle and go to Kindle Store right here in Kindle Store and type in your idea. So type in wellness exercises for seniors. You want to be a health coach for seniors. You want to be a wellness coach for seniors. Well, here's your competition on Amazon. And you can go through and you can see this. And this is giving you ideas for your content. It's giving you ideas for your topic. It's giving you ideas as to how you can stand out. It's giving you ideas for free ebooks to help get people into your email list. And so we can see that this book, if we go down, we can see that this book is how it's ranking in Kindle. It's number 151 in healthy living, 163 in exercise and fitness. So we can see how each book is doing and compare it to the ideas that we have. So I really hope that this has helped you understand how to use the internet and how to use these different free tools to understand what people are looking for so that you can create a niche that solves their problems. So please like and subscribe this so that you can get more amazing content like this. If you have a friend looking for online business and sort of confused as to where to start and what ideas to try to go for, have them check out this video and share it with them. And I'll see you in this next video right here that walks you through how to create your health coaching, or wellness website.